Bico coin. Look at this right now. It's just going crazy and the BTC falling, so every altcoin falling little crazy. So exactly the Bico is present on the exactly where the rally just started. So almost around 3.2. Look at this area. I just want to share with you this area as well. This one and this one ready to explode it. So I'm looking a little bit uptrend in Bico because it's already stuck in the same position. Where is the resistance? So I'm looking at resistance over here, almost around 6.2, almost 2x. Easy money, but again, not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion. So I'm looking some potential in Bico right now because it's already in shape right now and BTC is stable at this position. I already talked about this thing in the previous video. But if you look at the 4 hourly time frame, it's going crazy, giving green signal, ready to explode it. If you look at the 1 day time frame, this one is going crazy because the last time it just dumped like crazy, reaching this level again, and now it's ready to bounce back. A lot of people said, Travis, how long it goes. So I'm looking a little bit in a potential in this area. If you look at over here in the 1 day time frame, almost around a $6.60 and also $7.70. This is the area where I'm looking some golden, partially to exit out. So I'm going to exit out in this area because in the 1 day time frame it just keep jumping like crazy. If you look at the weekly time frame, so weekly time frame make a lot of people sick. Finally, we see some kind of potential in weekly time frame. If we succeed to zip it and turn it green, so we see a next weekly candle to the moon. And Bico contain a massive use case, Web3 and Polygon curve DAO. They're giving some kind of interest when you provide liquidity. And Bico adding these curve and Polygon in the platform in order to access the liquidity, in order to generate some revenue. So this is quite amazing in the Bico. A lot of people say the owner just keep dumping right now. So it's not an owner fault. I'm just thinking right now because everyone, every coin, every projects, dumping like crazy because the market is just crashing and COVID and other rumors spread all over the market. So we all are hodlers, guys. We all are hodlers. So we grabbing it low, sell it high, and we are just filling the bag for a long haul. So I'm looking a little bit potential. Coinbase Ventures also invested in Bico, and might be we see a little bit potential in upcoming days. So let's dive into the smaller time frame, which is almost around 45-minute time frame. So if you look at the 45-minute time frame, Bico finally stuck it just because BTC now confused a little bit slightly. So we see a little bit uptrend in Bico. So I'm just looking some uptrend in Bico because it's already in a support. This one is a crazy support and this one is also crazy support. Just think about it. You have to see this one and you have to see this one as well. It is already stuck it. And if you look at the 2 hourly time frame, 2 hourly time frame, it's zipping the candle now ready to explode it. Look at this, almost for 2 hour candle just stuck it. Now we are ready to explode from this area. But if you look at the other time frame, which is almost around 1 hour, but when you go lower and lower in a hourly time frame, so you will see what exactly is going on. So look at this one. They are not letting the price down. Zip it and squeeze up. Zip it and squeeze up. Zip it and squeeze up. They just keep buying right now at this price. But before you can see, it's just dumping crazy. and you clearly see these things right there. Why I'm say that? Because this is a crazy thing we have to see and focus on it. Why it's not giving any green signal? Now we getting this green signal. Other thing and other question came into mind. If it going crazy, so why it's turned red? So might be we just it's just falling like crazy, almost $3 again, and then pump like crazy. But this one is the last support I'm looking right now, 3.06. Before I predict almost at 2.8. Yeah, not only the waves waiting for the 2.8, other people also waiting for 2.8, the $2.80. And you know what? When we predict that, that means that is a support. So people bought at that level. So there's a huge buying, you know, waves is present on it. A lot of buyers is present on it. So then they know that if it falls, so definitely they fill the entry, and if it not, then we see uptrend. So I'm looking a little bit uptrend in Bico, guys. Alright guys, so this is all about Bico related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and thank you for watching.